Hey y'all, I am out in the garden today. I have not posted anything in a week, but I wanted to get on here today and post that Tommy and I are almost to 600 subscribers. And as promised, we are going to do another giveaway when we reach 600 subscribers. So, in order to be entered in the drawing, you need to be one of our subscribers. You need to like this video and you need to comment below something good that happened to you this week. Just one little thing. I don't care what it is, that's not important. I do want to keep it positive. With all the negativity in the world, the last thing we need is more negativity, so let's keep it positive. And this time, we're going to be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. So that opens it up to more people than just Americans. So if you're able to order from Amazon, then you could use this gift card. If not, then I'm sorry, maybe next time we can do something that would include international people. But it will be an Amazon gift card. So you guys comment below something good that's happened to you, and good luck to all of you. One thing good that's happened to me this week is that my daughter, who's in the Air Force, has come to visit us for a week. She's been here since I think Saturday, and we had a good time at the lake this weekend with our family, and we will be spending more time with her. That's why our videos are not coming out this week. We are also almost to 4,000 watch hours, and that is also a good thing. That gets us closer to monetization. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.